Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Plug them in, connect to Wi-Fi, and make sure battery is above 50%. Next, enable the appropriate cloud backup, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, so you capture contacts, photos, and app data. If you prefer a local transfer, turn on USB debugging or pairing mode and connect with a cable. Once done, verify backup progress and note any apps excluded from backup so you can handle them manually. You now perform the transfer using the official tool for your brands. Move to iOS, Samsung Smart Switch, or the Android Restore Flow, because these preserve app links and messages best. Follow the on-screen prompts and explicitly select the data types you want: messages, photos, accounts, and app data. Make sure both phones stay unlocked, on the same network, and physically near each other. Interruptions can corrupt migration. If a large library sleeps mid-transfer, pause and resume rather than force stop. You finish by signing into your accounts and reauthorizing two-factor apps where required. This restores secure access. Then methodically verify that photos, contacts, messages, and app data are intact. Open key apps and inspect samples. If something's missing, rerun the backup/restore or check the cloud account from the old phone. Sometimes items need manual export. A key troubleshooting tip: if transfer fails repeatedly, try a wired connection and disable VPNs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.